International Building Code 2003, Section 406.9 outlines specific requirements for receptacles installed in parking garages. These requirements address location, rating height, ground fault protection, wiring methods, accessibility, tamper-resistance and spacing, ensuring safety and functionality for maintenance personnel and the public. Firstly, receptacles are required at specific locations within the parking garage. These locations include each column, pier, or pilaster located within 5 feet of a parking space. Additionally, receptacles must be installed on each wall within 5 feet of a parking space. Secondly, the code specifies the minimum electrical rating for these receptacles. All receptacles installed in parking garages must have a minimum rating of 15 amps, 125 volts. This ensures they can handle the power demands of typical maintenance equipment and other devices used in these environments. Thirdly, the installation height of receptacles is also regulated. Receptacles must be installed at a height of not less than 18 inches and not more than 4 feet above the floor. This height range ensures the receptacles are readily accessible for plug-in use by maintenance personnel while also preventing them from being too low and susceptible to damage or water accumulation. Fourthly, ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is mandatory. All receptacles installed in parking garages must be protected by a class of GFCI. This provides a crucial safety measure by detecting ground faults and immediately interrupting the circuit, preventing electrical shocks to personnel. The code also includes additional requirements regarding conduit or cable routing. Receptacles must be supplied by conduit or cable routed concealed within the structure or through a raceway. This provides physical protection for the wiring and helps prevent damage from vehicles or other equipment. Furthermore, the code emphasizes the importance of accessibility. Receptacles must be readily accessible for plug-in use by maintenance personnel. This means they should not be obstructed by equipment, parked cars, or other obstacles that could hinder access. Tamper-resistant receptacles are required in certain locations. Receptacles installed in locations accessible to the public must be tamper-resistant. This is a safety measure to prevent children from inserting objects into the receptacle and potentially receiving an electrical shock. Spacing requirements are also specified to ensure adequate coverage. Receptacles should be spaced no more than 5 feet apart in each direction. This ensures that there are enough receptacles available to meet the needs of maintenance personnel without requiring them to use long extension cords. Finally, the code addresses the need for adequate circuits. Adequate circuits must be provided to supply the receptacles without overloading. This means that the electrical system must be designed to handle the combined load of all the receptacles in a parking garage, taking into account the potential for multiple devices to be plugged in simultaneously. In summary, the International Building Code 2003 provides a comprehensive set of requirements for receptacles in parking garages. These requirements address location, rating height, ground fault protection, wiring methods, accessibility, tamper-resistance, spacing, and circuit capacity. By adhering to these requirements, designers and contractors can ensure the safety and functionality of electrical systems in parking garages, providing a safe and convenient environment for both maintenance personnel and the public.